This guide will cover everything you need to know about fixing your York air conditioner. From error codes to troubleshooting, we've got you covered. The appliance helpers are here to help. For more appliance repair information, check out our website. There's a link in the description. Enjoy the video. If you're looking for help fixing your York air conditioner, look no further. Our comprehensive York air conditioner error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code E0. Problem: Indoor EEPROM electrically erasable programmable read-only memory error. Code E1. Problem: Indoor and outdoor unit communication malfunction. Code E3. Problem: Indoor fan speed malfunction. Code E4. Problem: Indoor room temperature sensor error. Code E5. Problem: Evaporator coil temperature sensor error. Code EC. Problem: Refrigerant leak detection system malfunction. Code EE. Problem: Water level alarm malfunction. Code E8. Problem: Dual indoor unit twin model only communication malfunction. Code E9. Problem: Another twin model malfunction. Code F0. Problem: Overload protection. Code F1. Problem: Outdoor temperature sensor error. Code F2. Problem: Outdoor condenser pipe sensor error. Code F3. Problem: Discharge air temperature sensor error. Code F4. Problem: Outdoor EEPROM electrically erasable programmable read-only memory error. Code F5. Problem: Outdoor fan speed DC fan motor only malfunction. Code F6. Problem: T2B sensor error. Code F7. Problem: Auto lifting panel communication error. Code F8. Problem: Auto lifting panel malfunction. Code F9. Problem: The auto lifting panel is open. Code P0. Problem: Inverter module IPM protection. Code P1. Problem: High/low voltage protection. Code P2. Problem: Compressor top overheating protection. Code P3. Problem: Outdoor low temperature protection. Code P4. Problem: Compressor drive error. Code P5. Problem: Mode conflict. Code P6. Problem: Compressor low pressure protection. Code P7. Problem: Outdoor IGBT sensor error. If you're looking for help fixing your York air conditioner, look no further. Our comprehensive York air conditioner troubleshooting guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. York air conditioner not cooling. The air filter may be clogged so airflow through the air con is hindered. It may be having dirty condenser coils, debris impedes overall cooling performance. The unit has a faulty compressor. The run capacitor is having issues or it's blown making the compressor not run. You have an improper thermostat setting or it might be defective the entire component. Your AC may have insufficient refrigerant. The unit has a problematic board. Culprits could be its main control board, temperature control board, etc. York blower motor problems. Check if it's receiving power test. Whether the current is reaching the motor is lack of power, which will mean it never runs. Troubleshoot the power supply system if so or proceed to step 2. Check if it's burned out if it has power but still won't work. It's probably burnt. The only solution is a replacement. Check if the blower fan is experiencing difficulties spinning. Your blower motor may not work as desired if the blower fan is obstructed by something. It will make a humming sound in this case and you must remove whatever is blocking the fan's spinning path to eliminate the problem. York air conditioner fan not working. Test if the fan motor has power. If yes, move to the remaining steps. Check if you're having a bad capacitor. The capacitor supplies power to the fan motor and it could have malfunctioned. Check for loose or even a broken belt and repair. If necessary, check if the motor is itself burnt out and replace. York air conditioner not turning on. Check if the power cord is in good condition and supplying power. Replace if not. Check if the circuit breaker has tripped and reset it. Wash the air filter again. If dirty, work on the thermostat. Check the settings and change or potential defects and replace. Clean the AC drain pan if dirty. Check if the fuse in your York air conditioner has blown. Replace it if necessary. York rooftop unit troubleshooting. Clean or change the filters no matter your model. Always start by installing a new filter, disposable types, or cleaning the filter, permanent types. Clean condenser coil surfaces after filters. Dirt should be cleared off the condenser coil to restore the required operation. Check the thermostat. A bad thermostat setting could be causing your cooling woes, and you should make sure that it's properly set. York Central Air Conditioner Troubleshooting. Faulty contactor. This part sends voltage to your condensing unit, and its failure could affect cooling. Test it for continuity with a multimeter and replace it if necessary. Bad dual-run capacitor. The fan motor won't operate properly or will completely refuse to work if this has issues. Replace it if you notice it's leaking or bulging. Defective condenser fan motor. The capacitor may have failed or the motor itself. Replace the affected component. Failed compressor. This should only be checked if all else fails because it's often misdiagnosed. Test it for continuity and replace if none. If you're looking for help fixing your York air conditioner, look no further. Our comprehensive York air conditioner repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. York manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of York appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. The air conditioner not cooling. If the air filter is clogged, air cannot flow properly through the air conditioner. This greatly reduces the cooling capacity of the air conditioner. In addition, if the air filter is clogged, the evaporator coils will frost over. To remove debris from the air filter, try cleaning the filter. If it is not possible to clean the air filter, replace it. Why is my AC fan not working? The dual shaft fan motor or circulation fan motor might be defective. The circulation fan motor has two fan blades, one on either side of the motor. On one side, the fan blade draws in outside air over the condensing coil to dissipate the heat. On the other side, the fan blade directs the air over the evaporator coil. The dual shaft fan motor has bearings that can loosen or bind over time. To determine if the motor bearings are defective, wiggle the motor shaft. If the motor shaft is loose, or if it won't turn at all, replace the fan motor. My AC compressor is not turning on. The temperature control board provides voltage to the fan motor and compressor. If the control board is defective, it may stop providing voltage to the compressor. Control boards are often misdiagnosed. Before replacing the temperature control board, make sure you check more commonly defective parts, particularly the compressor overload, capacitor and the compressor itself. If you are certain that all of the other components are working properly, replace the temperature control board. My AC won't turn off. The condenser coils dissipate the heat as the refrigerant passes through the coils. If the condenser coils are dirty, they won't be able to dissipate the heat as effectively. As debris builds up on the coils, the air conditioner will become less efficient, causing the air conditioner to work harder to cool down. If the coils are significantly dirty, the air conditioner will not be able to maintain the proper temperature, and the compressor will run continuously in an attempt to cool the room. Check the condenser coils to determine if they are dirty. If the condenser coils are dirty, clean them. Why is my air conditioner making noise? When the compressor is wearing out, it generates more noise than usual. When this happens, it is not necessary to replace the compressor. Compressors often last for years after they become noisy. However, if you would prefer to have a new compressor, have a licensed professional replace it. My AC remote's not working. First, try replacing the batteries in the remote control. If installing fresh batteries doesn't solve the problem and you can still operate the air conditioner manually, the remote control might be defective. If you think the remote control is defective, replace it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more repair guides.